But I have one more cool thing to show you first.
Can't wait.
And that is involves a superconductor.
What's that?
Do you guys know what a conductor is?
Mm-hmm. It's a metal that conducts everything that has electricity.
It's a metal that conducts electricity. Do you know what a superconductor is?
Conducts a lot of electricity.
When a metal conducts electricity, there's always some resistance as the current's flowing through. You have to push it through because there's some resistance to the current. There's a few materials, though, that become superconductors when they get very cold. And then the current flows with no resistance. And this is one of them, this metal disc,
Can we come up?
metal black disc. Yeah, I can push it through these aisles. Maybe, and then you guys can gather around. And then another thing about when it becomes a superconductor, it won't let a magnetic field inside of it. And then this little cubic thing is a very powerful magnet. It's small, so you have to get close to kind of see it. But look what happens when I try and put it on top of that. It's levitating, and you can actually get it to spin if you give it a little push.
I don't get it.
See that?
Wait, so what'd you do to it to make it do that?
Little push, not spinning.
Yeah, the magnet can't get down in there because the superconductor won't allow it.
What's
so while
the superconductor?
the black disc is the superconductor.
Wait a second.
That is so cool.
Where'd you get the liquid
Wait, does it work
nitrogen?
without the liquid nitrogen?
Wait, where's the liquid nitrogen?
I poured the liquid nitrogen in here to cool off that black disc,
Can you spin it again?
and that's what it needs to be superconducting. And then the magnet,
It's going backwards and forwards.
yeah, it just I can move it, push it over a little bit. It's kind of really weird like that, huh? And then I can give it a nudge and it'll spin.
There's a trick to this.
Put your tweezer underneath of it. Does it like lose its magnetism?
No, it's just go. Whoops, I knocked it out. There's not that much space there.
Oh.
Yeah. That's so cool. Spin it again. It's magic.
But yeah.
That's right.
So this is known as the Meissner Effect.
Can you make it a bigger one? Like a bigger magnet and a bigger spinning thing? Like a
Yes.
huge, like a day-size spinning thing if you had a big enough magnet?
Yeah, if you had a big enough magnet and a big enough superconductor,
Would it
and
be-
you kept it cold long
It'd
enough.
be really rare though.
Yeah, it'd be rare and a little bit hard to do.